height on this one. And the length as well.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday virtually inaugurated and addressed Khelo India National Winter Games on Friday. This is the second edition of the event and total of 27 teams participated in the event. Our correspondent Irfan Qureshi brings us more from Gulmarg.
The second edition of Khelo India Winter Games have begun in this beautiful snow-clad valley of Gulmarg. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, accompanied by Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju, is present here on the occasion. You can see the opening ceremony of the second edition of Khelo India Winter Games have now begun, and the players from across 27 states and union territories of the country have already arrived here. If my camera person can pan on the right side, he can show you the teams from Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Odisha and many other states are enthusiastic to participate in Khelo India Winter Games. Also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is virtually addressing the players, saying that the Khelo India Winter Games is very significant move of the government, and he also appreciates the performance of Jammu and Kashmir team in the first edition of Khelo India last year, and also Prime Minister Narendra Modi talking about the exploring the adventurous activities and sports of Kashmir Valley. On the other hand, the sports minister Kiren Rijiju also talks about the initiatives that are being considered to take Gulmarg on international platform. Also talking about the overall impact of the Khelo India Winter Games in the economy of Gulmarg and Kashmir Valley overall. The Khelo India Winter Games, so far as concerns, will be conducted for 5 days in this beautiful Gulmarg. You can see the players of different teams from across 27 states have already arrived here, saying that they are very excited to be part of this Khelo India Winter Games. Maharashtra team, you can see in the visuals, also a team from Telugu, Odisha, were very excited to be here in the Gulmarg. We have some players over here. We'll try to talk to them. What's your name?
Vishnu Alampalli.
From which state?
Karnataka.
Karnataka. You are participating for the first time in winter sports here?
Yes, sir.
So what do you want to say after you arrived here in the Gulmarg? What do you want to say?
Nothing.
How do you see Gulmarg and this beautiful snow-clad?
Okay, sir. Gulmarg is fine, and we are visited many places at Gulmarg. It's nice.
So you can see now the players are all set to go. They are marching, and the march has started. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, Kiren Rijiju is present here on the occasion. All the teams from across 27 states are parading now. You can see this is beautiful India. You are seeing through visuals now Chandigarh, Punjab, Delhi, from all across 27 states. You can see in the visuals that these are the teams who are participating in Khelo India Winter Games 2021, and this is the biggest initiative taken by the PM Modi, as Kiren Rijiju reiterated that this was the dream of PM Modi to see an international level of platform like Gulmarg for adventurous sports. In this Winter Games, border security forces and also other security wings teams also participating. This is a mega winter game event that is being carried out and starting today for 5 consecutive days in Gulmarg. With camera person Said Murtaza, Irfan Qureshi, TV9, Gulmarg.